So the methods using which we can generate the leads are as follows. The first method is cold calling, means start calling or start visiting to the customers without taking prior appointment from them. You can also generate the leads by conducting the promotional activities or events, guys. You can plan financial health checkup camp, or you can arrange a GK or art competitions in schools. Through these activities you can generate the leads, guys. Alternatively, you can generate the leads by getting the referrals from your satisfied and happy customers, guys. And let me tell you guys, these leads comes under quality leads, and that is why the conversion rate of these leads are very high. So try to get maximum referrals from your satisfied and happy customers, guys. As we all are aware of this fact that we are living in a digital era currently, and we consume our most valuable time on social medias, so your customers are, and because your customers are available on social medias, so you can generate the leads from social media through digital marketing. And that is why social media and digital marketing has become a very strong or powerful medium to generate the leads. You can generate the leads from your natural markets, guys. Natural market means whom you know and who know you. Means like your relatives, your friends, your neighbors, all your familiars whom you know and who know you. Moreover, we can generate the leads from walk-ins. Walk-ins means the customers who come our offices to inquire something, means for any kind of inquiry.